Today I'm going to share with you how to sprout Superfood microgreen mix from Rainbow Heirloom using our sprout jar kit. I'll be using 3 tablespoons of the seed per jar, which is roughly 29 to 30 grams of seed. Pour the seed into both jars. Now let's screw those lids back on. I'm going to add a little bit of water to each jar so that way these can soak overnight. And then I place the tray somewhere where it's out of the way. It is day 2 for my Superfood sprouts. What I need to do now is drain the water from these jars, give them both a good rinse, and put their blackout sleeves on. From this point forward, I drain and rinse it at least 2 to 3 times a day. Day 3, Superfood mix. Superfood mix, day 4. Day 5, Superfood mix. Today is day 6 of our Superfood sprouts, and what we're going to do is we're going to give these both a rinse, clean out the tray, and then I'm going to take these over to the light behind me. We will then be introducing one of the jars to the light where it can start to green up while the other one stays in blackout for another full day. Today is day 7 of this grow and these jars are packed, so that means that it is harvest day. First thing I'm going to do is remove the slip. And let's move this tray and the slip out of our way. Now I can unscrew my jars and we can get ready to harvest. To harvest, first I'm going to need a bowl of water and another bowl with some kind of strainer or something like that, so that way the greens can drip dry. I'm going to start with my jar that was grown in complete blackout. Now I'm going to start doing this, that way we can get the seed holes separated from the harvested crop. Usually I repeat this about 2 or 3 times, each time with new water. Now that most of the seed holes are removed from this one, I'm going to set it aside while I work on the second jar. This is the jar that received light for 24 hours. Repeat the same process as earlier. Now I'll let this drip dry before we get a harvest weight on both jars. Let's start by getting a harvest weight on the jar that received 24 hours of light. That jar got 190.5 grams. Now let's see about the jar that received no light. That jar has 209.1 grams. Now I'm going to get these put up. I like to store my sprouts in an airtight container with a paper towel to absorb excess moisture. Hope you enjoyed this video.